My name is Deshwan. I am studying 8th class in JPHS Swaminarayan. Today, I am here to talk about a big problem. We all share pollution. We see it in our air, in our rivers, on our beaches, and even on our streets. But today, I want to share some new and creative ways people are fighting pollution. They are not only using science, they are also adding a human touch, which is so important. First, let's talk about air pollution. Do you know that some cities are planting vertical gardens on their buildings? These gardens don't just make cities look beautiful, they also absorb pollution from the air. These green walls use special plants that can survive in high areas and they work as natural air purifiers. Imagine walking in a city full of buildings covered in green. It would not only make the air cleaner but also give us a feeling of being closer to nature. Now, let's look at plastic pollution in the oceans. Every year, tons of plastic are dumped into our water. Some people are using innovative technology to tackle this problem, like using drones and robots to collect the plastic from the oceans. These devices are programmed to recognize trash and they carefully pick it up from the water without hurting sea life. But here the human side volunteers work together with these machines to sort and recycle the trash, turning about waste into new products. This teamwork between people and machines make a powerful impact on reducing ocean pollution. Another inspiring ideas come from everyday people like you and me. More cities are creating programs where people bring their own reusable bags and containers instead of using plastic. Some businesses even give discounts to customers who bring their own bags by making small changes like bringing a reusable cup for coffee or using metal straws where each becoming a part of the solution. It might seem small, but when millions of people join, it creates a huge change. Finally, we have children lead the way. School are teaching kids to take the care of the environment through fun activities like recycling projects or trees planting. Kids are learning about pollution and making changes at home. This is important because as kids learn, they teach their families and communities, spreading awareness and inspiring action. So, what can we take away from this fighting pollution? It's not just about big machines or complicated science, it's also about people coming together, finding new ways, and caring for our world. Whether it's vertical gardens, robots in the oceans, using reusable containers, or kids planting trees, every action, big or small, matter. Thank you for listening, and let's all take a step, however small, towards a cleaner planet.